Okay, this is 1.6 notes. Solving equations and inequalities using combining like terms and distributive property. Good news, I've already taught you this. Now, this isn't something that you should know. This is something that I actually taught you, even though I just reviewed with it. It's actual stuff that we've done here. I've reviewed it with you, and I said, if you don't get this, please come in for help. So we should be good right here. But I'm still going to go over these warm-ups so you can see where you are. This is the number on the outside of the parentheses. That's your distributor. That's the number that has to be multiplied to everything on the inside. There's no sign between that number and the parentheses. That's how you know that's your distributor. 5 times r, there's a 1 here. 5 times 1 is 5. Keep your r. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, and that equals 17. So now I just solve. I add 5 to both sides. 5r equals 22. Now I divide both sides by 5. R equals 22 over 5. That cannot be reduced. Same thing for the inequality. I distribute my negative 3. This gives me negative 6 minus 9z is less than negative 18. So now I'm going to add 6 to both sides. Negative 9z is less than negative 12. Now here comes the fun part. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 9. So now, because I divided by a negative, I have to flip my inequality. Z is greater than, negative over negative is a positive. 12 over 9 can reduce. 3 can go into both. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times. So Z is greater than positive 4/3. And if you put 12 divided by 9 in your calculator, it'll come up. Okay, so guess what, kids? It's the same thing we've been doing. Now, 3 is your distributor. I know it is because there's no sign. You see right here where there's a sign? Whoa. You see right here where there's a sign between the parentheses and that number? That tells me that number cannot be my distributor. Here's the one that is challenging right here. Look at number 3. Because you're so used to doing adding and subtracting, you want to go, oh, 6 minus 4 is 2, and you want to put a 2 here. That's wrong. The negative 4 is your distributor because there's no sign between the 4 and the parentheses, and the sign to the left of the 4 is negative. So this is the one we're going to go over. So what do I do with this 6? Well, you just bring it down. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. Bring your x down equals 4. You cannot just bring signs down, okay? A negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. 6 and negative 12 can be combined. 6 minus 12 is negative 6 plus 20x equals 4. So now I'm going to add 6 to both sides. 20x equals 10. Now I divide by 20. Now this is a secret that you need to learn. The 20s cancel. X equals 1/2. If the bigger number is on bottom of your fraction, you're not going to get a whole number. This cannot be 2 because 20 is on bottom. It's 1/2. Please just put it in your calculator. Everybody put 10 divided by 20 in your calculator. Okay, yes, we got 1/2, not 2. Now, number 4, The 5 is not your distributor because there's a sign between it and the parentheses. That negative sign is. I'm going to put a -1 there. I have to distribute the -1. -10 plus 3x plus 5x is less than or equal to 30. 3 and 5 both have x's. -10 plus 8x is less than or equal to 30. 8x is less than or equal to 40. X is less than or equal to 5. Yabba dabba doo. Okay? Pretty much these are all the same. Let's review. Okay, kids. If you have any questions, please come in. Love ya. Bye-bye.